Hi guys, welcome to today's reaction. Today I'm going to react on a making video of Rajmouli's new film Roar of RRR. It's like this, RRR was like it happens in the pre-independence period. There are two freedom fighters, which are of course fictional. They are not real. So they are Alluri Sita Ramaraju and Komaram Bhim. So both of them are fictional freedom fighters, which Rajmouli is going to present to us, and they fight for independence. Like it's going to be a complete action movie. So they fight for independence for India. So they start from Delhi and fight towards pre-colonization period and all that against British and all. So that's what is going to be in this movie. So it's going to be an epic action thriller. So Rajmouli is known to produce big budget movies like Bahubali and Bahubali Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. So all those types of movies are directed by Rajmouli. So in this, there are many big names, like NTR, Ram Charan, Ajay Devgan, Alia Bhatt. So there are many big names in this movie. So this is going to be an epic thriller. I heard that it is going to be released in October. So I don't know whether I can watch this in the theaters because the situation right now. I know the cases are plummeting right now, but I don't know whether the theaters will be open or not. So that is based on our luck. So watching this movie in OTT platform will be a loss. Theatrical experience is not gonna happen, and the OTT experience not gonna cut it for this type of movie because people told me it is a big budget film, and so also the people and the sets they are going to produce is also going to be real. Like in Bahubali, they created all those palaces and all. So in this movie too, there are many sets that's going to be magnificent. So watching it in the OTT platforms would not give us that magnificent view like in theatrical experience. So unless you're big cast TV, so go with it. So let's go into the making video. Why should I go ahead? Straight of giving Bahubali vibes. That's Rajmouli.
If you look at him, his feet's got you.
So, who are those English actors? They're playing very good, right? Forest Fire. The fuck, they're rapping, right? That's a rap for background music.
Are you ready for the rage? Are you ready for the roar? Are you ready to rise? Like you gotta revolve.
Oh.
Are you ready for the rage? Are you ready for the roar? Are you ready to rise? Like you gotta revolve.
Oh. I told you it is going to come out on 13th October. So what I want to tell is, it's interesting that they are not using any green screens in this movie. Like all those things, explosions and all of them are so realistic that they are doing it originally. So the originality will be there in that movie, and also the action sequences. They are not using any stunt doubles. The actors itself are doing the stunts. So that's one of the advantages of this movie. Like NTR and Ramcharan, I like them for their actions and action films as well as for their dance moments. I don't know whether there will be dance in this movie. So RRR stands for Rise, Roar, and Revolt. So it's going to be an action movie. Like There are many explosions in the movie which they have created. It's going to be a fun ride. If you want a movie, world level or an whole Hollywood level action movie, you have to watch this RRR. So, well, it's a Rajmouli movie. What more can we say about this, production and all? And also, it's very interesting that, think about it. If this does not release in the theaters, it will be a huge loss. All those, the effect of seeing it in a big screen is, just wonderful. So that's it. The people in October will see whether we can watch this movie in theaters or not. And also Ajay Devgan and Alia Bhatt is also making the movie some more big. From the I don't know whether this movie will be translated to other pan-Indian level, many languages and all. I hope there will be, so that more people can understand what the movie is about, and also they can watch and enjoy the movie. So the making is extremely good. This rises expectations for the movie when it comes out. People tends to look into this making and tell, they are genuine about making the movie. So people will go to the theaters and watch the movie to support the movie. So hope they can make a profit about of the movie, and also expand the influence of Indian movies to Hollywood, so they can watch and tell that, yeah, Indian movies are also very good. So that's it about the reactions. Go and watch the movie when it comes out. If you like the reaction, subscribe the channel, like, share, and all those things. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.